No salam, no good afternoon, guys. Today, inshallah, lecture number 5, we'll talk about how to use thicken in case you have a surface without thickness, which is not a solid, and you want to convert it to a solid. We will use the command thicken. Next, we'll talk about work point, axis, plane. These work points, work axis, and work planes used to generate or make a sketch more easy. So the third one, we'll talk about ribs. Ribs, if you remember from 216L, they are the support. Remember the support? Yes. Thin feature used to support your part. And next, we will use the loft command. And next, we'll talk about sweep command. And next, we will talk about coil. And last thing, how we can add material to our part. Let us start the thicken. Now, as you see, this is the Inventor, new file. Say that we know which units we want. Select metric as example. Standard millimeter. Okay. Now, let us start a new sketch. Say we want it on the front view. Let me draw any sketch like this and finish the sketch. As you see, once you finish the sketch, because the sketch is not closed, if we want to extrude this sketch, we will get what? A surface. See, this is not a solid. This is a surface without material. So we can't calculate the density as example, mass as example, center of gravity as example, inertia as example. No material can be assigned to this surface because it is not a solid. How we can convert this surface to a solid? We have a command called thicken. Now, guys, as you see, we have to select the surface, say this one and this one and this one together. How much the thickness you want to add, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, it depends on your design. Say that 1 millimeter, say apply, that's it. Now you have a solid. You can go back and draw a new sketch here as example, rectangular space or hole, extrude this space, use cut to get this shape. Okay? Do you want me to repeat again? Let us repeat again. Let me delete the extrusion. We will start a new sketch again. Say that I want the sketch on the front view. Draw any shape, any 2D shape. Now this sketch is not closed. Once you finish the sketch and you do the extrude, you will get something like this, which is a surface, not a solid. Now, guys, come back again to the thicken command. Select the surface, then select how much the thickness you want. Say that 2 millimeter as example. In which direction, by the way? Outside, inside, outside, in both directions. Say that in both directions. Apply, cancel. You got something like this, guys. Okay?